Today's featured car of the day is a 1960 Buick LeSabre convertible. And this one was definitely a beauty, that's for sure. Really caught your eye with the tri-tone interior and the bright blue paint. But I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And it was definitely a nice looking car, that's for sure. Got a lot of looks, and was a California car from Redding, California. And as far as 1960 Buick goes, that was part of the first generation for the LeSabre, 1959 and 1960. And actually, both cars were pretty much totally different, except for the look of the rear taillights. And some of the, as far as the 1960 LeSabre, it had a major facelift from the 1959, and the new body design only shared the roof and the trunk lid with the 59 model. And now they had the concave grille and horizontal headlights as opposed to the canted headlights and the different grille. And it also had the new Buick Tri-Shield logo, which they're still using today. And as far as production numbers go, in 1960, Buick sold 253,807 cars. And out of that, 152,082 were LeSabres. And convertibles, they made 13,588. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.